Hello everybody, welcome to Salsal Academy. I'm Ali Yawari as your instructor. I'm going to teach every exercise of IGCSE books of Pearson company or ADXL. So let's start our lesson, but I request kindly from you that subscribe my channel. First, here said that simplify this exercise. How we can simplify this fraction? Here to simplify, first we can write instead of 8, we can write 2 times of 4. 2 times of 4 is 8. Instead of 12, we can write 2 times of 6. So here we directly simplify 2, just remain 4 over 6. Also we can write instead of 4, 2 times of 2 is 4. And in denominator we have 2 times of 3 is 6. Now we simplify 2 by 2, so the answer is 2 over 3. And I start to simplify next question, question number 2. Also you can use the second method. Instead of multiplying, we use the properties of fraction. We can divide both numerator and denominator by this common factor. Here we can write 16 divided by 8, and also 24 divided by 8. So when 16 divided by 8 gave us 2 times, because 2 times of 8 is 16. And when 24 divided by 8 gave us 3, it means 3 times of 8 is 24. So this is the final answer. You can use both methods, but I think the second method is easy. Come to question number 3. Here we can write 15 divided by 15. In denominator we can write 45 divided by 15. 15 divided by 15 gave us 1, because 1 times of 15 is 15. And 45 divided by 15 gave us 3. 3 times of 15 is 45. So the answer is 1 over 3, or 1/3. Come to question number 4. Here we have 56 over 84. We can divide both numerator and denominator by common factor. Both the number are divisible by 4. Here 54 divided by 56 divided by 4. Use this method. We divide 56 divided by 4. 1 times of 4 is 4. We subtract 5 minus 4 give us 1. And we bring down 6. Then 4 times of 4 is 16. We subtract the remainder is 0. So here we can write the numerator is 14. And in denominator we divide 8 divided by 4 gave us 2 times. And 4 divided by 4 gives us 40 over 21. Also we can go ahead to simplify. Here we simplify 2 times of 7 is 14. 3 times of 7 is 21. So the answer is 2 over 3. This is the final answer. Now we come to question number 5. In question number 5, we have 0.6 over 1.2. How we can simplify? We have different methods here. I think the best method is to multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. We have 0.6 multiplied by 10, and in denominator we have 1.2 multiplied by 10. According to the properties of equivalent fraction, we can multiply numerator and denominator by a non-zero number. So here we can win 0.6 multiplied by 10. One decimal place move to the right side, the decimal point, it become 6. And 1.2 when multiplied by 10 become 12. Now we can simplify 1 times of 6 and 2 times of 6 is 12. So the answer is 1 over 2. And come to question number 6. Here we have 0.9 over 2.7. How we can simplify? Also, we have a property in the decimal fraction that we can move the decimal point from numerator and denominator to the right side or the left side. So we use from these properties, we move one decimal place the right side, it become 9. When decimal point came to the right side, become directly 9, and then denominator become 27. Now we can simplify 1 times of 9 and 3 times of 9. So the answer is 1 over 3. Now we come to in this table, copy and complete this table given fraction in the lowest term. How we can simplify or how we can solve? Here we have fraction. To convert fraction, we have here that 4 over 5. We have different method to convert this fraction to decimal. The best way is that you can multiply numerator and denominator by 2 in this question or this problem. We multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So here we have 4 times of 2 is 8 and 5 times of 2 is 10. When the denominator is the families of 10, we write the numerator and we count the number of 0 in denominator. Just because we have only 1 0, we separate from right to left 1 decimal point or 1 decimal place. So the answer is become 0.8. And the second question, we have 3 over 8. 3 over 8 also we can use this method, but this is a little bit challenging. It's better to use calculator if you are permitted, but in some question you are not permitted to use calculator. So you can use a long division. We divide numerator by denominator. We have 3 divided by 8. How we can divide? We add here we add 0 point and we add 1 0 to the right side of 13. 3 become 30. 30 divided by 8, 3 times. 3 times of 8 is 24. Then we subtract 0. When we borrow 1 unit from 3, it becomes 10. 10 minus 4 remains 6. And it becomes 2 minus 2, 0. We can add many 0 to the right side of. After decimal point, there is no difference. We bring down 1 0 to the right side, it becomes 60. 60 divided by 8. Actually, here is 7. 7 times of 8 is 56. We subtract 10 minus 6 remain only 4. We borrow from 6 become 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. We bring down another 0, it becomes 40. 40 divided by 8, 5. 5 times of 8 is 40 and the remainder is 0. So the answer of this question is actually 0.375. We come to question number 9, how we can solve this question. Here we have 0.75. To convert this one to fraction, we write here 75 over, we accept the decimal point as 1 in the denominator and count the number of decimal places. We have 2 decimal places, 1 and 2, so we write 0 to the right side of 1. The answer is 75 over 100. It is better to simplify. Here we to better simplify, we divide by 25. 3 times of 25 is 75 and 4 times of 25 is 100, so the answer is 3 over 4. And the next question we have 0.2. How we can convert 0.2 to fraction? We write here, first we write 2 and this decimal point we assume that it's as 1. We count the number of decimal places because we have only 1 decimal place. We add 1 0 to the right side. Now we can simplify. 1 times of 2 and 5 times of 2 is 10. So the answer is 1 over 5. This part finished and we come to next part in the next session or next video. So thank you for joining and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.